Still shaving your armpits every week? You're not just wasting time, you could be damaging your skin permanently. Let's break down why sugaring is the natural game changer your skin deserves. Especially if you're in the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, or Germany, this is for you. Shaving causes microcuts. You don't even see these tiny cuts invite bacteria and irritation. Common in humid cities like Houston, Brisbane, or London. Increases risk of ingrown hairs and discoloration. Sugaring is gentler and avoids blades completely. Sugaring is 100% natural, safe for sensitive skin, made from sugar, lemon, and water. That's it. Ideal for eco-conscious lifestyles like in Sweden, New Zealand. Reduces dark spots over time. Shaving causes friction, gives pigmentation. Sugaring exfoliates gently with every pull. Targets discoloration in underarms and bikini areas. Popular solution in warmer regions like Miami, Athens, or Nairobi. Hair grows back slower and finer. Sugaring pulls hair from the root, not the surface. Regular use can lead to reduced hair density. Less hair equals odor equals more confidence. Urban professionals in New York or Berlin prefer this. Sugaring is less painful than waxing. Yes, really. Taste sticks to hair, not live skin cells. Pulled in the direction of growth, less trauma. Easier for beginners in cities like Toronto or Copenhagen. Easy to do at home. Save hundreds, no need for salon appointments. DIY friendly for busy moms or students. Cleanup is simple. Sugar dissolves in water. Great for cold countries like Norway or Iceland where salons are limited. No razor bumps or itchy regrowth. Sugaring eliminates sharp-edged stubble. No friction burns or post-shave itching. Skin stays smoother for longer. Perfect for active lifestyles in LA, Sydney, or Cape Town. You only need 1/8 inch of hair. No waiting weeks for long regrowth like wax. Keeps your grooming schedule on point. Ideal for social calendars, events, or vacations. Flexible for frequent travelers in Dubai, Paris, or Vancouver. Gentle exfoliation equals brighter skin. Sugaring naturally removes dead skin cells, promotes even skin tone and glow. Especially useful for those wearing sleeveless style summer in Italy. Grease. No risk of burning your skin. Sugaring paste is used at body temperature. No hot wax accidents. Great for delicate areas, armpits, bikini line, even face. Trusted by skincare conscious users in Germany and the UK. Safe during pregnancy and hormonal changes. No chemicals equals lower risk of irritation. Helps manage hair growth spikes caused by hormones. Calms inflamed skin, often triggered in pregnancy. Widely recommended in wellness cultures Canada, Netherlands. Environmentally friendly and low waste. No razors, cartridges, or plastic wraps. Sugar paste is biodegradable. Pairs well with sustainable routines. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.